We are gonna install MySQL Workbench in this tutorial. I am into my Google Chrome. You can use any of the browser you want, but here I will be searching for MySQL Workbench download. There will be this link dev.mysql.com downloads Workbench. You have to go to this link. Here you will be seeing a page like this, and you will have to go to download page from here. Now you will be able to see select version option and operating system. Only one option you will be able to see here for Microsoft Windows if you are installing it for Windows, and you have to select the latest version for here. Now you will be able to see two separate installers with one is 2.1 MB and one is 565.9 MB. So these two will be like version will be same. 30, both will be 32-bit MSI installer, but the difference between the two is in 2.1 MB installer you will be able to install everything you need, but there won't be any sample data included into it. But in 565.9 MB you will be able to see the database, Sakila database, and there will be some tables and data into it, and you can use that for your learning. So I am installing 565.9 MB. The process will be the same for both of the two, no difference, just the data will be included here and no data will be included in 2.1 MB. So you can select any one of the two as per your choice. The process will be same. I will click on download option here. You can log in to or sign up for your Oracle account if you want. Otherwise, if you don't want, you can just directly click on this. So I have clicked on it and my installation or my download started, right? And it is getting downloaded 566 MB, and it will take few seconds to few minutes based on your internet speed, right? So let's get pause here and let it download. Once it's completed, then we will come back and will resume the installation part of it. Open it here and it will show me one pop-up. Click two times, that's the reason it is showing to two. Just click yes. Windows is configuring my MySQL installer. So in this pop-up, you will have to select what all things you want to download. So I will be selecting full. In custom, it allows you to extract which product you would like to install, right? I will be selecting full here. Next. So here it is saying my data directory already present. So I will be removing my already existing data directory. This is showing me because I installed it earlier and didn't remove this path. If you are facing the same thing, then you can remove, or you can just go to your C drive or file explorer, just paste this link here, that will navigate you to that particular path, right? And in the data programs, here you can just directly delete this MySQL, just open in another program. Or what I can do is, I can just go inside and try to delete this MySQL server, because we are trying to install it, so it is taking this particular path till MySQL. So MySQL server 8.0 is gone. Now I'll go back here, just try to refresh it and see. Now click on next, and these all things will be installed. See, samples and examples are getting installed with this. Just click on execute, and one by one they will be getting installed, and you can see the progress here, which part is installing and how much is the progress. And if you click on show details here, you will be able to see the logs, and you can hide the details as well. Whatever product is status complete, it will show as green, and whichever is installing, it will show the progress here, and this pencil icon will be visible. It usually takes some time in the progress. See, these all the products are installed completely. You can see these tick marks as well as the status complete. Now click on next button. Again next to configure MS SQL server router and samples and examples, right? click on next. Keep all these things as default. Next. And use a strong password. There are two options: use legacy authentication method and use a strong password encryption for authentication, which is the recommended one. So let's go for the recommendation and click on next. Here you will have to keep your password. Just type your password here and we have to repeat our password here. These should match, right? These two passwords should be same, and you have to remember these passwords very strongly, else these two passwords will, if you forget this password, you will have to reinstall your MySQL workbench, repeating all these steps. Moreoverly, you would not be able to take the backup of your work, your development, your database, your tables, whatever you have done into the database MySQL workbench, it will be gone. So it's always recommended to remember this password. Strongly recommended, right? And click on next then, and again next, and you will have to give the permissions, right? So again here it is next, and here these are the configuration steps that uh, this MySQL installer performs. We have to execute it. These configuration steps are for security purpose, firewalls, adjusting the services, databases, to start the server, apply the security settings, and there are many other ways or many other reasons why these configurations are required to be applied. And let's finish it. And then product configuration, it will be configured. Finish. Next. Then here we have to enter the password. Do check it. To this is just to test the connection, right? And click on next. Execute. This is also done. Just click on finish, and then we will do again next. Installation procedure has been completed, and if you want you can just copy the logs, or if you don't want, not required. Just click on finish, and if you see your shell has been started,